Patients at the VA Medical Center in Pam now have easy access to new technology which empowers them in more ways than one. With just a finger touch, veterans now can take an active role in their care process during their hospital stay. The Get Well Network is a patient's connection to hospital services, medications, entertainment, health education, and more.
Have them learn about their disease state, whether it's something from the recent wars, or even if it's a long-term disease such as diabetes or CHF.
Got games to choose from. You also have internet access, which is really nice. So if you want to go and check your email or do whatever.
So you got games, you got medical, you got these different programs on there you can just watch, and it's beneficiary.
The electronic information can be customized for each patient. It also allows the hospital to track and record the patient education into its electronic medical records.